You?
OK, well, at the very top it is Bishop on what? Is he 142.8? So, Rowan Atkinson. You did it. 1.
Good.
40.
Excellent.
2. 2.
That's the new fastest man we ever had round our track. Ladies and gentlemen, Rowan Atkinson, the fastest man ever.
Well, that is actually remarkable, because we did genuinely think when Bishop did that time and was so much faster than Tom Cruise, it would never be beaten.
No, the Tom Cruise thing is fun, actually, you know.
And what is very interesting is that all your lap times were incredibly consistent, as is the mark of a great racing driver.
Oh, pish and posh.
Turns out you're in the wrong career. So, I mean, a lot of people think that you've already been on this show.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, he has now. Rowan Atkinson. Thank you very much.
You can't do it. Now, earlier on, we embarked on a project to build a cheap train using an old Jaguar XKR-S and some caravans.
Yeah, and sadly, well, it didn't work because Jeremy's driving was rubbish and he bought the wrong car. Then there was a really big argument and he stormed off with the Jag, saying he was going to make something called a sports train.
Yeah, and that left Hammond and me with all the coaches, but nothing to pull them with.